Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the stocks on our radar. First, we have a new profile for tomorrow's session. Gold has been constantly in the news cycle over the past few months. Gold is experiencing a surge in 2024 due to a combination of economic uncertainty, inflation concerns, and geopolitical tensions. As central banks around the world continue to implement loose monetary policies, investors are turning to gold as a hedge against potential currency devaluation and rising prices. The ongoing conflict in Eastern Europe and other geopolitical hotspots has further fueled demand for safe haven assets, with gold historically seen as a stable investment during times of crisis. Additionally, the weakening of the US dollar, coupled with signs of a potential economic slowdown in major economies, has prompted more investors to seek out the relative safety and long-term stability that gold offers. These factors, combined with a strong global appetite for tangible assets, have made gold particularly attractive in 2024. Pull up USAU right away and get it on your screen. You can see from the chart that USAU is bouncing off trendline support. The stock closed at $6.11 and is trading higher after hours. You can also see that there's been insider buying and no selling. U.S. Gold Corp is a U.S.-focused gold exploration and development company. USAU is advancing 3 projects: the CK Gold Project located in southwest Wyoming, Keystone located in the Cortez Trend in north-central Nevada, and the Chalice Gold Project located in Idaho. This one has under 11 million in the float right now and 0 debt. You can see the Catalyst has a world-class portfolio in stable and mining-friendly U.S. jurisdictions, offering investors both near-term gold copper production potential with blue sky exploration upside. The CK Gold Project in Wyoming offers compelling value with an approved mine operating permit, advancing towards development in a resource-friendly jurisdiction. The Keystone Gold Project in Nevada offers exposure to significant exploration upside, situated 11 miles south of Nevada Gold Mines' Cortez Complex, its second largest gold producer. Chalice Gold Project in Idaho offers gold exploration potential in Idaho's historic mining district and 20 kilometers southwest of Revival Gold's brownfield Bear Tract Arnett project. The company has a team of proven company builders and explorers who have made and financed the discovery and development of numerous world-class gold assets. There's a tight share structure, 10.7 million shares outstanding, listed on Nasdaq, including large insider holdings. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on USAU, click the link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Well, guys, in our last video, I said to keep Palantir on your radar for earnings after the bell. The stock continues to impress investors this year after it revealed a third quarter 2024 financial report and outlook that crushed estimates across the board. The stock has rallied from $41 to over $55 today. Congrats to all who banked. Well, the election is over and the Trump trade is in full effect. Make trading great again. Markets hate uncertainty and expectations were for a close and contested election. Instead, we saw a clear victory for Donald Trump and the Republicans in the Senate and likely the House of Representatives. While what's said on the campaign trail and what's done in office often differs, the market is betting big that the Trump administration's policies will be pro-business and pro-markets, leading to a red-hot rally in risk assets. Look, whether you are a Democrat, Republican, or independent, there's no denying that Trump is great for markets, especially if you're a trader. Traders love volatility, and that is Trump's brand. We are looking at less regulation and lower taxes. That's a recipe for growth, at least in the short term. We can argue the longer term effects later. Our focus should be on the here and now and not what could have been or could be. Need to just be dealing with the realities, and that's what I'm doing. I am also tuning out the noise. How could so many not see the Trump win coming? And I'm talking about the mainstream media. He didn't just win the Electoral College, but the popular vote as well. He barely lost Illinois and New Jersey by just a few points. That's unheard of in this day and age for a Republican. The Trump win is also making small caps great again, boosting Bitcoin and the IWM Russell 2000 ETF. Bond yields did rise a lot as the bond market is anticipating higher U.S. debt and deficits under Trump. Marijuana stocks were smoked with Kamala Harris and the Democratic Party seen as more pro-marijuana. Over the weekend, I talked about this. She said that if she was elected, she would legalize recreational marijuana use on the federal level. And that's where much of the optimism around reclassification was focused on, and that all that was burst. That was taken out of the market. Additionally, with states like Florida voting against recreational marijuana, albeit by a small margin, the regulatory environment will likely remain challenging for these companies. Popular ETFs like MSOS, MJ, YOLO, and others were down between 15 and 20% on the day. Village Farms, VFF. This is actually a profitable cannabis producer, and they were down 11%. So it was just an ugly day for cannabis names. Thursday is Fed Day. We're going to get the Fed announcement at 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m., Jay Powell's press conference. Should be interesting. Most likely he will be fired when Trump takes over. Earnings tomorrow include SAVA, VFF, which I said was down 11%, but we're getting earnings tomorrow. JMIA, Lucid, LCID, AFRM was up big today, up almost 10%, and Pinterest, PINS, was up today, so all those earnings tomorrow. Lastly, guys, lots of chatter tonight on StockTwits about Reborn Coffee, REBN. The stock had news today. The company is a premier specialty coffee retailer. They announced the successful acquisition of a 58% stake in Bang Sesame Bakery, a leading bakery chain with 31 locations across South Korea. The acquisition follows the previously signed MOU, which is a memorandum of understanding between the two parties, solidifying Reborn Coffee's commitment to expanding its offerings and establishing a strong presence in the bakery sector. Stock was just up fractionally today, but trading higher in the after hours. The float is just 2.83 million shares. Current market cap 6.3 million. Insiders own 29% of the company. As you can see, the stock down 60% year to date, so we could see a nice bounce in REBN. Finally, guys, I will also be scanning the pre-market. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, Thursday's primary focus is USAU. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We were looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sideways Frequency for sponsoring this video on USAU. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.